but it is too proud and arrogant with its strength. One day, the cat was left alone without a cat family, because he feels its greed to survive alone without the help of his family. On his journey, he rested close to the chicken family. On a sunny morning, the cat was angry because the chicken had late made his sleep. "Oh, chicken, how says you woken up coupled with your ugly children?" Chicken family is very angry. They drag the cat away with a feeling of annoyance. The cat leaves the place. With a feeling so tired, the cat sleeps on the shoulder of the elephant. When the elephant is about to wake up, accidentally the elephant drops the cat. "Hey, you rotten elephant! Why did you take me down? Do you want to kill me?" The elephant approached and said, "Oh, you're so beautiful." The cat greets the elephant and makes the elephant run amongst so that the cat is thrown by it. The cat is very upset and also hungry. He tries to look for food in the soil he meets with worms. "You're a beautiful cat, but why you are taking my food?" The cat said, "All animals know my beauty, therefore I have right to do what I want." Then the worm said, "Arrogant cat, can you survive in the ground?" "Ha ha ha, it's a small leap," cat said. They finally made a deal. Finally, after a day, the cat in the ground, a group of worms tried to see, but the cat was dead. Several worms told this to the cat family, but when his family arrived, the arrogant cat that had died was already eaten by a lion.